Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Rocket Money to forecast upcoming credit card bills, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Rocket Money and press enter. Look for the official app developed by Rocket Money. Once you find the app, tap on it to view more details. On the app page, click the Install or Get button to download. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. Once installed, locate the Rocket Money icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Rocket Money icon to open the app. You will be prompted to create an account or sign in if you already have one. Follow the instructions to enter your email and create a password. After logging in, you may need to connect your bank account to import your financial data. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your bank account. Once your bank account is connected, navigate to the budgeting section. Here, you can set your budget categories and input your credit card details. To forecast upcoming bills, locate the Bills section within the app. Input your credit card due dates and amounts to get accurate forecasts. The app will then generate upcoming payment reminders based on your input. Make sure to regularly check the app for updates on your bills and financial status. With Rocket Money, you can easily manage your credit card bills and stay on top of your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.